Retailers are creating a long window of opportunities for shoppers. As exciting as this sounds, it's easy to overspend if you're not cautious. This year, with the average American expected to spend nearly $900 on gifts, decorations, and festivities, having a solid financial plan can make all the difference between joy and post-season financial stress. Whether you're exploring bustling stores for doorbuster deals or filling up your online shopping carts from the comfort of home, smart strategies are the key to getting the most value for your money without piling up debt. Here are some crucial tips to ensure you enjoy the shopping season without financial regrets. Before diving headfirst into sales and offers, take a moment to figure out how much money you can genuinely afford to spend during the season. Start by assessing your savings, reviewing past expenses, or earmarking a specific portion of your income for gifts, decorations, and other purchases. For added control, break your budget into categories such as setting aside a specific amount for gifts, food, or personal indulgences. For instance, if you plan to spend $500, reserve $400 for essentials like gifts, and use $100 for fun or unexpected finds. By staying disciplined with your limits, you'll reduce financial stress in the weeks ahead. The sheer number of deals can overwhelm even the most seasoned shopper, leading to unnecessary purchases. To avoid this, start planning early by creating a prioritized list of items you genuinely need or want. Retailers often release their sales information weeks before, so take advantage of this and compare prices. Tools like websites or apps can simplify your search for the best offers. Don't forget to check curated lists of top deals from trusted sources, which can save you time and ensure you're focusing on the best bargains. If you anticipate financing your purchases, consider using a credit card that offers a 0% APR promotional period. This allows you to spread your payments over several months without worrying about high interest charges, provided you pay off the balance before the promotional term ends. Some highly recommended cards for this purpose include Capital One Venture One Rewards Credit Card, Chase Freedom, Unlimited Registered Trademark, and Blue Cash Everyday Registered Trademark Card from American Express. However, it's crucial to avoid overspending simply because you have access to this credit. Stick to your predetermined budget to keep your finances in check. If you're already grappling with significant credit card debt or other financial burdens, consider scaling back your shopping this year. The smartest approach is to focus on clearing existing balances rather than adding more to them. To limit your spending, use cash for purchases instead of credit cards. Withdrawing a set amount from your bank ensures you stay within budget. Leave your credit cards at home to avoid temptation altogether. This strategy can help you regain control over your finances without sacrificing the joy of the holiday season. If you have a credit card that offers cashback, points, or other rewards, now is the perfect time to leverage these benefits for your holiday spending. These rewards can stretch your budget further, helping you get more value for every dollar spent. If you're looking for a new card, shopping can help you reach the spending requirements needed to earn sign-up bonuses. For example, Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card, ideal for travelers looking to earn miles. Blue Cash, Everyday Registered Trademark Card from American Express, great for everyday spending with cashback perks. Prime Visa, perfect for frequent Amazon shoppers who want extra savings. By planning your spending wisely, you can turn holiday shopping into an opportunity to earn rewards. Sales and discounts are just the beginning of how you can save. Explore online tools like Honey and Rakuten, which automatically find coupon codes and cashback opportunities for you. Don't overlook price-matching policies offered by many retailers. Track item prices using alert services to make sure you're truly getting the best deal. Taking a few extra steps to research and use savings tools can multiply your holiday budget. Your credit card may offer more than just a way to pay. It could also protect your purchases in ways you might not realize. Many credit cards come with added benefits like purchase protection, extended warranties, and return guarantees. Purchase protection helps cover eligible items against damage or theft. Extended warranties provide extra peace of mind beyond the manufacturer's coverage. Return protection allows you to return items even when a retailer's policy says otherwise. Check your card's benefits to ensure you're using these valuable perks to their full potential. If you plan to spend a significant amount on Black Friday, Opening a new credit card with a generous sign-up bonus could be a smart move. By meeting the card's spending requirements, you can earn cashback, travel miles, or other rewards. Popular options include Blue Cash, preferred registered trademark card from American Express, offers a $250 statement credit for spending $3,000 within 6 months. Chase Sapphire preferred registered trademark card, earns 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in 3 months. American Express registered trademark gold card, collects 60,000 membership rewards, registered trademark points with $6,000 spent in 6 months. Just be sure to meet the requirements responsibly within your budget. Many credit card companies partner with retailers to provide exclusive deals during the holiday season. These could include cashback offers, discounts, or early access to special sales. For example, Chase offers often features cashback deals at popular stores, while other cards might provide savings on dining or travel. Remember to activate the offers through your card's app or website to enjoy these perks. With these practical tips, you can make the most of shopping while staying on track financially. Whether you're looking for the perfect gift or treating yourself, a little planning goes a long way toward making the season stress-free and enjoyable. As we wrap up our guide to maximizing your credit card benefits, let's take a moment to reflect on the timeless wisdom of a remarkable figure. This video is brought to you by AZ, a member of the last great royal family of Iran. AZ spent 45 years in America, bridging 2 nations and advocating for peace over conflict. His story is one of resilience and dedication. AZ's ancestors ruled their state with justice, living in a castle, and freeing Iran without claiming the entire kingdom. Despite their noble intentions, they were overthrown due to the discovery of oil on their land, with England and its puppet king Pahlavi playing pivotal roles in their downfall. They hailed from the same region as the legendary Persian king Cyrus the Great, who is celebrated for introducing the first human rights in history and freeing the Jews from Babylon. AZ's lineage has always been about protection and justice. In the 1930s, his family protected Jews, earning their gratitude and admiration. Iran, or Persia, boasts a rich history spanning thousands of years, contributing significantly to global culture and innovation, from the Constitution of Europe and America to the halo on top of Jesus' head. Despite losing everything during the Iran-Iraq War, with external pressures from America and Israeli arms dealers, AZ's spirit remained unbroken. His message to us is clear: be a part-time hero and strive for a world where everyone can live in peace. Remember, whether you're managing your finances or navigating life's challenges, a little wisdom and planning can make all the difference. Let AZ's story inspire you to make thoughtful choices and work towards a better, more peaceful world. Thank you for watching, and may you find success and peace in all your endeavors.